but yeah, I had to upgrade my PC because the old GPU was not included in the Meta Quest Link app. Okay, so after I've installed the application on another computer, a better computer, and I try to use the Air Link, I can see that the computer appears right here, and if I'm going to hit the pair, I have to confirm the pair. Okay, so I'm going to hit here continue, and I have to create a new boundary actually. Okay, I'm going to confirm, and let me draw the space with my hands, the controller. Okay, continue, and is loading, as you can see. So I have to do an upgrade on my PC because on that GPU the app haven't worked. So I tried to reinstall, but the app don't work because of the GPU. You must have a better GPU. So if you're going to Air Link, we can see that the settings are okay. So if you want to connect to the desktop, we can press on the desktop and peri code. Okay, let's close this, and as you can see, we can now use the Meta application from my PC. And if you're going to the settings, we can see Meta Questing is not set as default. My prevents application from launching correctly. Let's set as default. Unknown sources enables. Keep configuration when connected to remote desktop headset. Let's enable this one. Band limit, no limit. App downloads while using VR. Oh, let's disable this one. And these settings are okay. We don't have any warning on the application. We can see that we don't have any warning as I did have on my previous PC. And this is really nice because right now I can play games if I want.